Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys this Citrus L05. It is a smart feature phone. So yeah, it's basically a smartphone in this form factor. So this is how the phone looks. It is exclusive to Telkom. As you can see here, the primary SIM slot is Telkom network locked and open to 4G, blah, 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 blah. And this is the box. This is the phone. So these are some of the features. It is out of focus. 2.8-inch LCD with touchscreen, 4G LTE network, 2500 mAh, Wi-Fi, and Android OS. So it doesn't really come with anything out of the box. It just came with, this is my receipt. It just came with the phone itself, obviously, and what I think is a screen protector. What is this? I don't know if you guys can see it really, but it's just, if it is a screen protector, then it's not glass, it's just paper. And then you've got the start guide and the warranty card. And like I said, it's exclusive to Telkom, so it also comes with the Telkom SIM card. Oh, it also comes with this charger. It is a Type-C charger. So yeah, very advanced. So the SIM card comes with 1.5 gigabytes of WhatsApp data. So that's pretty nice. It's not much, but yeah. Let's switch on the phone. It's taking forever. Oh my days. Okay, so this is the phone. It is touchscreen, as the box says. I'm really not a big fan of the UI, but it works. It works. So let's just like quickly go into the settings just to see some of the things that this phone has. It does have Wi-Fi. Like I said, it's a proper Android. So yeah, it has Wi-Fi, mobile network, obviously, airplane mode. It has the hotspot also. It has Bluetooth. These are just app settings. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. These are just like normal app settings, notifications, stuff like that. You can enable bubbles. I don't know if the bubbles work because I have it enabled, but so far it doesn't actually work. Yeah, got your battery here. I charged it this morning. It's currently 1750, right? Yeah, it's currently 1750 and it's still at 78%. So the battery is quite okay. Granted, I haven't really been using it today, but yeah, it is. It's not bad, really. It's not bad. It's not really um, breathtaking either. I mean, you get what you pay for. So yeah, you can adjust the brightness level. You have the night light or yellow. Is it yellow light on other phones? That's what it's called. Let me just try and switch it on. I don't know if it will really show on camera, but yeah, it basically If you use an Android, you know what nightlight is. I don't know if it's there on iPhone. I've never used an iPhone before, so I can't really speak for them. But, oops, my bad. And then just normal settings, screen timeout, keyboard light. This keyboard, by the way. So if you say keypad always on, so when you press it, it never goes off, basically. So yeah, those are those settings. You've got your font size, you've got your display size, lock screen settings, and yeah, nothing too crazy. You've got your sound settings. Oh, that's a pretty cool ringtone. Oh, okay. But yeah, you've got your settings here, vibrate for calls. I think it's pretty like you've got D and D. I mean, come on. You can even put like exceptions. I think for like the type of phone that it is, it's really quite interesting. Let me try and adjust this thing. I think you can see better like this. I don't know why they have a Nokia tone as their default, but yeah. Notifications. Yeah. But you guys did not come here to hear the ringtone. So yeah, this is the size. It's 8 GB. It is quite small, but it does have a SD card slot. So yeah, but usually you can't really, even if you had an SD card, you can't save applications to the SD card. So I think that might be the downfall. You're going to be limited by the number of applications that you can have on your phone. But if you want to keep pictures and whatever, then yeah, absolutely. It works. So yeah, gonna go to about phone. Device name is the L05, like I said. I only have one SIM card in my phone. 4G is only for SIM 1, which is locked to Telkom. For SIM 2, you only get, I think they said you get 2G. So, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you get 2G on your second SIM. So, yeah, if they ever disband 2G this side, because I know 2G still works in South Africa, so yeah. It says it's running Android 12, but it's really not, I think it's Android 12 in terms of like application compatibility, because this is Android, if you look at it, this is Android 7, I think. This UI up here in the notification panel, this looks like Android 7. So I think Android 12 is for like the compatibility for the apps. So yeah, these are the apps. You can't really change this home screen. This is what it looks like. This is what you're stuck with. I'm personally not a fan, but yeah, what can we say? So these are the apps that it comes with, except for Discord and Spotify. I downloaded those. And this, you will see, it doesn't have Google Play Store, but it does have Aptoid. I think that's what it's called. So this is where you can download all your apps. This is where I downloaded Discord at least. But for the apps that sometimes when I'm downloading, it will download, but it's gonna fail to install. So in such cases, I have used Google Chrome because I think you saw the Google Chrome. Yeah, I used Google Chrome to download the APK, and then I just installed it and it worked. But here you can use this to download apps. If it doesn't work, then you go to the APK thingy. You go to Google Chrome, sorry. You go to Google Chrome. It turns out this is like a well-known app store. Personally, I had never heard of it, but when I looked it up, people were talking about it, and it seems like it's a well-known app store. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. I personally did not know of it. So as you can see here, I'm just downloading YouTube Music, and it is downloading. Uh, it's pretty fast, but I guess that's more to do with the Wi-Fi than the phone itself. But yeah, it's downloading really. So let's just wait for it for a bit, and then we're gonna install it and see if it works. Okay, so it's done downloading. So I'm just gonna try and install it. Hopefully it works. And we see. And like I said, if it doesn't work in this app store, you can always just download an APK through Google Chrome because yeah, it's really easy because it's an Android. Okay, it installed successfully. Oh, what just happened? Oh, it's not opening, it's crashing. Ugh, that's a bummer. It is crashing, it's not actually opening. So, yeah, I guess some apps will not work. Let me try again from this side. Yep, same thing. Even the Spotify, I don't know, it was opening, but I couldn't do anything. Let's see if it's working now. Oh, it is. There we go. There we go. Oh my days. Oh wow, it's actually working. This is crazy. Let me find a copyright free song because I got copyrighted on one of my videos. So, okay, I've just found a playlist of copyright free music. As you can see, it's quite slow. This phone has 1 GB of RAM. So it has 1 GB of RAM. So don't expect flawless. Oh wow. Wow, this is amazing, guys. I hadn't tried Spotify before, so this is I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Crazy. So for volume, you have the asterisk. I think that's how you pronounce that. The asterisk and the pound key or hash if you're from where I'm from. So the hash increases and the asterisk decreases. So that's how you do the volume. I can't believe it's actually working though. I didn't expect the Spotify to actually work. What? This is crazy. Oh my days. What? Oh my goodness. Okay. Music's going on for a little too long there. But yeah, okay. The Spotify works. This is very cool. We also have Facebook. What else can I show you guys? There's really nothing. We're gonna get to the camera. Let me show you guys how Discord is looking. Very slow, as you can imagine, but it works also. There's my Discord. I've got notification. Somebody sent me a friend request. I don't know who they are, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But yeah, even the Discord is working. This is crazy. Then you've got the settings. I think we already went through those. You've got the calculator. Yeah, it's a calculator. What more can you expect? You've got the clock, which I assume will show the time. It actually doesn't. It's only for creating alarms and stopwatch timer. It doesn't actually show the time, so that's funny. You've got your calendar. You can add an event. You've got an FM radio. I'm assuming it needs earphones. Yep. I have wired. Oh, I do actually. Does anyone remember these earphones from KFC? Oh my days. Yeah, I've got the radio. I never get any stations from my room, so I think it's working, but yeah, it's working, but I never get any radio stations from my room, anyways. So yeah, I've got your sound recorder. Does this work? Is it recording? Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the sound is quite crisp. It's really not bad. It's not bad. I don't have music on this phone. I don't have my SD card is not in this phone, but yeah, we heard the speaker from other pets. I took a selfie yesterday. It's not bad, eh? It's really not bad. It's not bad in the sun. Let me say it like that, because if you are indoors, look, I don't have storage. If you're indoors, the camera is really, really bad. And like I said, we're gonna get to that. So this is the downloads. Everything you download from Chrome is gonna show up there. Let's get into Chrome itself. It works quite well, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Some shady business. I was downloading Spotify. Don't judge me, guys. Citrus L05 Telcom, which is this phone. You see, the Chrome works really, really well. I really wouldn't expect it to work any differently. So yeah, it's a pretty cool phone. Yeah. What else do we have to look at? I think after downloading Spotify, that the thing is very, very slow, like very, very slow. So yeah, let's try messaging. Like I said, this is Android. Is it 7? So even the icons are giving Android 7. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the icons are giving Android 7. We already went through Aptoid. Note. Yeah. Facebook works as well, really well. Works really, really well. I think, oh my gosh, it's so slow. But it works. Excuse me. Wait, I'm not angry. Hold on. Ooh, okay, yeah. So it works. The Facebook works. YouTube is not an app. It takes you to youtube.com on Chrome. So it takes you to the web version of YouTube. So I don't know why they put the icon there as if it's an app, but hey, it is what it is, I guess. But it does work. That's the good thing because there are some browsers that don't support YouTube anymore, like the older browsers. And also, if you have seen my which video is it? Oh, the Barbie phone. The YouTube does not work, so I think this is still pretty cool that it works. And last but not least, no, wait, not last, second but last, I know most of you came for the WhatsApp to see the WhatsApp, so let me show you guys. This is my thingy. This is the UI. So, yeah, I don't have any contacts on this phone, so it's really nothing there. The oh gosh, the texting experience is not bad. You have the option of using this keypad or the on-screen keyboard. So, and the on-screen keyboard is actually surprisingly easy. Hey, you. I don't know. At least for me, I don't know how other people would find it, but for me, it's like really, really simple. It's not. It doesn't feel small. Let me say that. So, yeah. The calling works also. Video calls also work because it has a front camera. I don't know if this is the front camera. So, yeah. The calling does work. Wait, am I in the call? Yeah, okay. I've just muted to like prevent feedback, but that feedback. But it does work. It works really, really well. I actually haven't tried to share screen on this phone. What would that even look like? So this is the video call. Let me just. The camera is really. I don't know. I have terrible lighting in my room, first of all. So that's also the major factor. But besides that, also it's just really, really dark. I can't even find an angle to show you guys what the video is like. But yeah, it's not good. It's not good. That's all I can say. But like it's doable, really. So yeah. The screen sharing, is it working? Let me see on this phone. Yep, it's actually working. So let me just go back and yep, the screen share is working. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my days. But yeah, that is the WhatsApp calls. It works. Maybe let me try to call this number so that wait, how do we lock this phone? Oh, wait, how do I lock this phone? I forgot how to lock this phone, guys. Hey. Oh no, wait, I can press this button. Yeah. What was that? But yeah, I can press this button. Okay, so let me try and like call myself here and see how the calls are coming in. What is that sound that it keeps making? I have no idea. Yeah, send a message. Just gonna say hey. Got the message. Hey. So you can choose to like not show messages on the lock screen like a normal Android phone. So yeah, now into the camera. I think that's the only thing that is left. The camera is, guys, I don't know what they were thinking. The flash for this phone is on the top and obviously the camera is on the back. So you cannot use the flash. The flash is also very, very bright, which is rare on a phone. But yeah, you can't use the flash in with the camera. So I don't know why they decided to do that, but they did it. You don't even have any. Can you zoom in? I don't think no. Oh, you can't. You can actually. You can zoom in. That's crazy. Wait, how did I do it? There we go. It's really not very. Oh, there we go. There we go. So it's 2 megapixels. Those are all the settings. And then you have the video. Okay. I think my phone is not really showing properly. I will include the video in the picture, but my phone is not showing properly what's going on this phone. So, yeah. I will also take a picture outside to see, like during the day, so that you guys can see and compare. But like if they put this flash with the way it's so bright and they put it here, it would have been absolutely game changing. So obviously it also has a selfie camera so you can flip, and yeah, this is the selfie camera. I don't know if you guys can see anything. But yeah, so this is basically the phone. I would say it's a pretty nice phone. I want to try and use this phone exclusively for one day, maybe even longer. Because if you guys know me, you know I love feature phones. So yeah, I absolutely love this phone. Um, if you have watched my video on the Mobi cell, I think that the major drawback with the Mobicel was the fact that it didn't have WhatsApp. So this one has WhatsApp. So I think a lot of more people would love this phone. But at the same time, that phone had like it was designed for the cloud. So the apps on the cloud were optimized for it. Whereas on this phone, it's maybe a bit less optimized, and also you can store less apps because on the Mobicel you had Facebook, Instagram Reels, YouTube Music, TikTok, and a whole bunch of apps. If you were to have that many apps on this phone, I don't even think you can download that many apps on this phone because it's only 8 gigabytes, and yeah, the storage would quickly run out. So I think choosing between the Mobicel and the Citrus, like it depends on really what you want on the phone. If you want a phone that's like for, I don't know, but yeah, those two phones have like different use cases. I personally really love this phone. Gosh, why do I keep dropping it? I personally love this phone. I also love the Mobi cell, obviously. So I think that's why I'm saying that it has different use cases because I can see myself using both phones. So yeah, this is basically the phone. Like I said, this is just a first look because I haven't really used it that much, and I want to use it someday, like to use it the whole day just to see what it's really like, and then maybe I will post a review video. But for now, I was just showing you guys this phone, what it does, what it looks like, and yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to get this phone, definitely recommend. Yeah, if you're somebody that loves feature phones, then I would definitely recommend this phone. I really hoped, or I low key, yeah, I hoped or expected it to kind of be like the Duokin F, what is it? Duokin F22 Pro, like in the way that it operates, because it's also, excuse me, it's also like this form factor. So like that phone is like a proper Android in this phone. Like you can customize, the home screen looks like an Android, like literally everything. But with this one, it's just, like this. I don't know if I could install a launcher on this phone, but like why will I finish up limited storage with the launcher? But yeah, anyways, yeah, so this is the citrus. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will maybe record a proper review in the days, weeks, months to come. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, it's peace and love. Bye.